Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Flutter SDK on your machine and switching to the stable channel. This ensures consistent tooling. Once done, install the Android SDK or Xcode depending on your target and set environment variables such as Android Home so tools can find the SDK. Then create a new project with Flutter Create My App. Make sure to choose the correct organization ID. Finally, open the project in your IDE so code analysis and plugins kick in. Now you configure platform-specific settings and dependencies. This is where builds often fail if mismatched. First, update Gradle and Kotlin for Android or update deployment target and Swift for iOS so they match the Flutter engine. Then add packages in PubSpec. YAML and Run Flutter Pub get to fetch them. Also configure app signing, flavors, and required permissions early because fixing them later causes rebuilds. Once configured, run Flutter Analyze and resolve any issues. Finish by building and testing the app. Run Flutter Run on your device or emulator and iterate until the app boots without errors. Then write widget tests and integration tests, running Flutter Test and Flutter Drive to validate behavior. If something breaks, run Flutter Doctor for a quick health check and inspect verbose logs to identify missing SDKs, signing issues, or permission denials. Finally, commit a clean commit and tag a release. This lets you reproduce the working state later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.